Guys, good morning. Ruben Fishing Vlog. Nakahuli na naman tayo, guys. Napalit tayo ng lure natin, guys. Redhead na white. Silver pala, guys. Tapos tong ganun pa rin, guys, sa setup natin. At yung bagong setup natin, guys, yung bullsen natin, guys, 2,000. Yan, guys, ang huli natin. Marami-rami ng huli natin, guys. Laki-laki to, guys. Saka yung rod natin, guys, Daiwa Ultralight. Yung lure natin 8 grams from Philippines, guys. Laki-laki. Bullsen 2,000. Okay, guys, mamaya na lang ulit. Ruben Fishing Vlog, paki-follow naman, guys.